Hello YouTube! Been a hot minute as usual. So today I'm out at the storage facility where I keep my beautiful 2018 Solitude 379. I got a lot of updating to do. I haven't been traveling like I had the last couple of years. Working in Alaska last year up in the oil field. But this is fixed to be primary home here. House in Boise is going to be sold soon. Get you up to date on the new toys. Got this not so old Dodge I'm running now. Was originally pulling this thing with the work truck, but I terminated that relationship because I got tired of the company. Anyway, we're just airing up tires now. We take this to the dealership and have some repairs estimated. The old work truck knocked a couple of holes in the nose. Toolboxes were too tall. And no matter how good of a driver you think you are, you think you can keep the tires out of a ditch or potholes or whatever else, you're not. At least I'm not. Anyway, got the generator charging at the battery because I haven't had any solar on this thing. The battery's pretty wore out anyway. The farmer I bought it from, they discharged it a few times. Got the little brakes jamming up the battery. This is as high as I can get the hitch filter now. I should have parked it up like everybody else here. I should have looked around. Still relatively green fifth wheel owner, I guess. Anyway, more to come.